Okay, we are here in 14 and Collins Avenue. This is the last floor. It's for rent, this apartment 3D. Have brand new furnished. Right at the entrance you have the kitchen. Microwave, refrigerator. Then you have a nice view from here because we are at the last floor of the building. Right there is Ocean Drive. The ocean's right there, basically half block away. And this is Collins and 14th Street. Again, brand new furnished. Over here we have the bedroom, also with a brand new bed. Over here you have two big walk-in closets. One is right here, and the other one is right here. This one is bigger. This other door will take you to the bathroom. And you have the shower right there. And over here, again, you have a hallway to go back to the living room area. So contact me if you would like to rent this apartment. You can do 7 months or less.